49 rational expressions. A complex fraction is a fraction whose numerator and or denominator contains one or more fractions. Okay. Don't confuse rational numbers and, don't confuse complex numbers and complex fractions. They're not the same thing. Numerator has a fraction and or denominator has a fraction. Solution 1. Get the same denominator here, combine the numerator to 5 over 4. Same denominator here, which is 24, and get 41 over 20. You divide 5 over 4 by 41 over 20. That means you multiply by 24 over 41. And your result is 30 over 41. That was the hard way of doing it. The easy way. Let me get the least common denominator. 4 is just 2 times 1. 2 is 2 times 1. 4 is 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3. 4, 8, it's 2 times 2 times 2. Write in individual columns like we are used to. LCD 24. Multiply this complex fraction by 1 in the form of 24 over 24. Distribute the 24 in the numerator, distribute the 24 in the denominator. This will no longer be a fraction. That's a 12, that's a 6 times 8, that's a 4 times 20, and that's a 3 times 7. So immediately you get 12 plus 18 over 20 plus 21, or 30 over 41. Now, isn't the second method easier and quicker? Example 2. If you know your factoring real well, you realize that the denominator is a difference of 2 squares. 3 plus x over 5 times 3 minus x over 5. And 3 minus x over 5 drops out, it's 1. You're left with 1 over 3 plus x over 25. Or you can make a common denominator and quickly you get the answer. If you don't recognize that, then you can multiply numerator and denominator by the LCD 25. The fractions drop out, you distribute, you get 3 times 25, you get 5 times x. You get 9 times 25 minus x squared. And that becomes 5 times x minus 15 over 15 minus x times 15 plus x. And the 15 minus x drops out. You're left with 5 over 15 plus x. As I said, you can do it this way, and you get the same answer more quickly.